Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends. In this section of videos, I am going to solve square and square roots. Publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan, class 8, exercise 3.5. So in here we have to evaluate from question number 1 to question number 6, and further question number 7 and 8 has its own questions individually. So let's check it out how to solve question number 1 to question number 6. So in here the first question of exercise 3.5 is 0.0441, which we will have to evaluate. First of all, change it into the rational number, or you can say in the fraction. So first of all, what we will do, we will just cancel the decimal. So what number would be in the denominator? 10,000 would be in the denominator. The next step would be find out the square root of 441, which is 21 into 21. And what would be the square root of 10,000? That is 100 into 100. So our answer would be 21 by 100, and we can change it into the decimal form. That would be equal to 0.21, which would be our answer. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is 753.5025. It has to be evaluated. So first step would be change it 753.5025, and how many zeros would be in the denominator? 4 zeros, means 10,000. Now for evaluation, as this is a very much bigger number, so we will solve it by the method of long division. So 753.5025, as we all know how to solve long division, how to solve this number by the method of long division, making the pair from the right hand side. So 7 would go by 2 into 2, that is 4. 3 whole pair of number will be coming down. So 2 plus 2, 4. It will go by 7, and 7 number would come as 329. Then subtract it. 24 would be the number. 50. Here 7 will be added. So number would become 54. Then 4. The number would become 2176. Subtract it again. So we will be left with 274. That whole 25 is. So here 4 will be added. So number would become 548. So it will go by 5 only, and 5. So the number would be 27425, and it will go by whole. So the square root of 75,35,025 is 2,745. This number is the square root of this number. So we can write it as 2,745 into 2,745 by 100 into 100. Now answer would be 2,745 by 100. Change it into the decimal form. It will come as 27.45, which is our answer of question number 2. exercise 3.5. So have a whole glance. Now proceed with the question number 3. So the question number 3 is 0.4 times 0, 6561. So first of all, we will change it into the rational number form. 6561 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for evaluating, we have to have the square root by the long division method. 6, 5, 6, 1, making the pair from right hand side. Now 8 adds a 64. 61. 8 plus 8 would become 16. 1 would be the number. So square root is 81. So we can write it like 81 into 81 and 10,000 into 10,000. So 81 by 10,000. So it can be written as 0.0081, which is our answer of question number 3. Now let's proceed with question number 4. So the fourth part is 1.2996. Change it into the rational number. 4 zeros will be there. So finding the square root, we will be adopting the method of long division. So 12996, making the pairs. So 1 would go by 1 only. 2, 29. So it will go by 1 again. 21, 8, 96, and 1 will be added here. So number would become 22. 4 and 4. It will go by 896. So the square root of 12,996 is 114. So we can write it as 114 into 114 by 100 into 100. So 114 by 100, which would be equal to 1.14. It is our answer of question number 4. Hope it is clear. So question number 5 is 0.009216. So first we will change it into the rational number. So number would become 9216 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also we will be having square root by the method of long division. So 9216. It will go by 9 9s are 81. Remainder would be 11. 16 will be, and 9, 18. So it will go by 6 only. So number would become 1116. So square root of 9216 is 96. So we can write it as 96 into 96 and splitting it. So answer would become 96 by 1000, which would be equal to 0.096, which is our answer. Now let's proceed with the question number 6. So the sixth part is 231.9529. So it can be written as 231.9529 by 10,000. For finding the square root of the number, we will be having the method of long division. 2319529. So after making the pair, we will be left with single 2, 1, 2. It will go by 5, 125 minus it, 6 whole 95, 2 the number will be there as 604, subtracted 91, and again 29 by will be bringing down 304, it will go by 3. So answer would become 91. So the square root of 23,19,529 is 1,523. So it can be written as 1523 into 1523 by 100 into 100. So it will come out as 1523 by 100, which will be equal to 15 by 23. That is our answer. So have a full glance of question number 6. Question number 7 and question number 8 of exercise 3.5 is slighter different. So let's check it out how to solve question number 7 and question number 8. So the question number 7 is, if root 6.5536 is equal to 2.56, find the value of root 655.36 minus root 65536. So let's check it out how to solve it. So if root 6.5536 is equal to 2.56, then 655.36 would be equal to 25.6 and 65536 would be equal to 256. So we have to subtract it, just subtracted 256.0 and 25.6. So 10 minus 6, 4, 0, 3 and 2. So our answer would be 655.36 minus root 65536, that would be equal to 25.6 minus 256, that would be equal to minus 230.4. Why negative sign is here? Because we are subtracting 256 from 25.6, which is a smaller number, and this is the bigger number. So negative sign would be there. So this is our answer of question number 7. So this is the last question of exercise 3.5, square and square roots. So if the question is, if root 15,625 is equal to 125, then we have to evaluate root 1.5625 plus root 156.25 minus root 0.015625. So let's check it out how to solve it. So we have been given root 15625 equal to 125 and root 1.5625 would be equal to 1.25 and root 156.25 would be equal to 12.5 and root 0.015625 would be equal to 0.125. This is our calculation. Now according to the question, what we have to do, we have to go by the mathematical operations of these numbers, that is 1.5625 plus root 156.25 minus root 0.015625. So replacing these number by its values, that is, which we have found here, 1.25 plus 12.5 minus 0.125. So first of all we will subtract. So we will subtract 0.125 from 12.5. So 12.500. How to subtract 0.125? So our answer would be 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 2 7, 4 minus 1 3, 2 and 1. And we will add 1.250 into it. So our answer would be 5, 7, 5, 12, 6 and 13.625. So we will write here 1.25 plus 11.375. That would be equal to 13.625, which is our answer. 12.375, which is our answer. So 1.25 plus 12.375 would be equal to 13.625. So this is the solution of last question of 3.5, that is question number 8. So I hope all the questions from question number 1 to 8 is very much clear. If still there is any doubt, you can ask me by writing into the comment box. I hope the whole exercise is clear. So in my next video, I'll be solving whole exercise 3.6 of square and square roots, and after that I will take algebraic expressions as my next chapter. So if you like my video or if it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.